eat this and put a side by side of what it was like yesterday. I
am not happy by what we woke up to.
don't want to deal with this.
Nobody does.
She's like, I hate my life. Whoa, okay, you're a little too high.
What?
She hates her life. Just let's zoom in on that face.
Kill me. Jeebus Remedy.
I can't see anything.
Can anybody see the bullshit in front of us?
Yesterday it was like 50 and sunny.
It was 56, sunny, 46, raining, and now this.
Like, what is happening?
I can just barely see that there's a vehicle in front of us.
I can't see that there's a vehicle in front of us.
I can see the semi with all the logs in front of that semi.
Yeah, I can see that. I can't see the white car in front of us.
It's not even white, honey. All I see is a dark shadow every now and again.
I am taking Patty home, which you can't see. It's getting dark all of a sudden. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Oh no, I need to get over that. I'm taking Patty home, and then I'm going home. I might stream. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. I want to stream, but I don't want to stream.
Right.
But hopefully,
I need to do my trash and laundry, but I don't want to go do that.
well, like, you know how I can record my dad?
I don't want an adult today.
I don't. Yeah. Oh yeah, my laundry's in the washer. And I didn't put anything on my couch so Angel wouldn't sit on it.
And I know how you can record your dad's webcam.
That's what I was. So my dad, hopefully, fingers crossed. I can't even cross my fingers. My fingers are too fat. Look at that. That's how I cross my fingers. How do you cross your fingers? Yeah, I can't do that. My fingers are too fat. Hopefully he puts up the shelf, and if I can get him to put up the shelf, I'm gonna turn around my webcam like I naturally have it like that before he comes over, and I'm gonna record it on my phone or on my I'm gonna record it on my computer and then make it fast so that you guys can see my dad putting up my shelves. I'm excited for my shelves, and then I'll do a time lapse of me putting up my video games and shit on them.
I didn't do it. Your hair looks nice.
Well, as long as we close before the Indian summer in Monaco, we're fine. Mike, I think I'm losing my connection.
Yeah, so am I.
How about now? How about now? Mike. What?
Take me.